The Raver Monkeys are back, and this time we're bigger and badder than ever. We're on a road trip around Flores, and we get up to some mad mischief that you won't believe. So come and join us as we explore this beautiful island and get into trouble and have a right old laugh.
So we spent the whole morning working, do a bit of editing, and then this afternoon we're just gonna spend time here at the siesta, enjoy the pool, have some lunch, and then see what there is. They've got beautiful views here, so all good.
Here she is, relaxing by the pool. The legend, which is Pat. Where are we going, Pat?
We're finally packing up. We've been 3 days in Labuan Bajo, and now we're gonna go and get some food, hang out by the pool for a little bit while it's too hot to drive, and then we're gonna take our bike for an hour to go to somewhere, I'm not sure, somewhere in between here and Rebo, because it's a 3-hour journey, but we're gonna cut it, so it's not gonna take too long. So an hour journey, and then we'll see what happens.
Hey, how you doing? I've checked out of our lovely little place here. We really enjoyed the stay. It's been really cool, lovely surrounding area, nice cozy bed, nice breakfast, and yeah, it's just been really great. So now we're off for our next adventure. We're going to go to, I think we're going to go like a little bit of like east, I think we're going to go. But really looking forward to this, everything on the bike, and then off on our adventures once again. Come and design some t-shirts with me. Here we go. That was really tasty. Go grab. They're really nice, isn't it? Rice, egg, omelette, noodles, all the shebang.
We're doing it!
We're doing it directly. Check out the way we're rolling. So we've got storage under here, water, full tank of petrol, which is really good. I'm going to balance my bag here, my 2 legs either side.
And then this has got to go.
You know what, I haven't got flip-flops. The flip-flops are going to leave me anyway, but I'll find somewhere for there to go. But yeah, man, it's happening. Let's go, an hour travel.
This was to be our most epic road trip so far. The journey on a bike from Labuan Bajo to Vario village is expected to take 3.5 to 4 hours. But make no mistakes, it would take much longer than that. So we decided for a stopover on the way at the Flores Bungalow.
The people in Flores are so friendly and always saying hello and always have a big smile on their face.
So we just stopped on the way to look at a view, and then we literally behind us saw an accident. Someone fallen off the bike and they've been wailing in pain, so Phil quickly went to see what happened. See if they're okay. I don't know if they're gonna call an ambulance or how they're gonna help them, but it just goes to show that you gotta be really careful on the bikes. Things like this can happen in the blink of an eye.
Wow. So there you go. I've never, like, all the time we've been making videos, I've never seen an accident. So I was just driving up and parking here, and the Russian lady and her son just come off the bike, and so obviously being a teacher I'd do a bit of first aid, so just make sure she didn't break a hip or anything like that, and put her in a recovery position. And now she's sitting up in a chair, still feels a bit sick. I told her she should go to the hospital really, but say we're a long way from hospital, so yeah, she's fine. She seems fine. She's cut her arm, her boy's cut his arm, but yeah, it's good. It feels really good when you sees that and you're like, actually I know what to do. So yeah, helps out a little bit.
And it also goes to show how careful you have to be in these roads.
Yeah, you'll be really careful. I think coming around this corner, if you're going too fast, it's going to go really slowly. Yeah, that's why. But I think sometimes... Okay, yeah? She's fine. She seems fine. She's sitting up there on the chair. And yeah, just chatting to her. Bit of a language barrier, she's speaking Russian, I think. But there you go. Raver Monkey helping out is always a good thing. Hello, really. As you do.
It is. How beautiful is that?
Yeah.
You can see all the way to the ocean.
How you feeling, Miss Homan?
Pretty groovy.
It's pretty groovy, love. I like it. I like the cycling on a Sunday.
Cycling.
Taking it very slowly though. I think it shook me up after seeing the accident a little bit. But there you go.
Just be careful.
In life. And always safety first. Sunday tunage, man. How you doing, love? Howdy. Ciao, bule. That's you. That's me.
For those who don't know, bule means foreigner in Indonesia. And wherever we went on a bike, kids would excitedly shout bule at us, which was quite endearing.
These buildings, these little places to live, really nice and cool. All you need is a little bit of shelter and then nice little fan, nice 2 beds, happy days. And the owner's really nice, and we haven't got to go out for food, so we're going to go and check out, I think, a waterfall just down the road now, and yeah, make the most of the day, because yeah, it's like, what, it's 4 o'clock? Let's go.
Got it. Our TP for the day.
Let's do this. Look at that. That's really cute, isn't it? This place was so awesome. The owner was super friendly and gave us some pointers on where to go next. It was a well-rested break before we headed to the village the very next day. The accommodation was super cute and well maintained, and they also grew their own vegetables. It was really nice just to switch off for the evening, as this place didn't have any Wi-Fi or internet. Let's go to the waterfall. This is real cool.
Go and check it out.
Let's do it.
Is this cotton? It looks like cotton.
I'm gonna get my flip-flop back.
Where's your shoe, Phil?
Don't know, stuck in there.
There's your flip-flop.
Shit, what do I do?
It's here, Phil. You gotta go and get it.
Oh, I fucked it. No.
You lost the other one now as well.
Oh no. This is shit. Back in here. So obviously I took a wrong turn and tried to go into a rice paddy and ended up in loads of mud. But I still want to get there. I think it's that way. I should just sod it and then just go back. How can you get down there, man?
Do you hear the sound of nature, Phil?
I do. I want to find this waterfall.
We will find it.
We didn't find a waterfall and admitted defeat. Somehow we managed to make something that was quite simple, super complicated.
He is a big boy. Hello, mate.
Is here. Yeah.
Oh, wow. And you can literally break the
Yes,
nuts and then eat them.
Good eat.
Good to eat. Good for the chest.
Yes. And
Oh,
Indonesia kemiri.
kamiri.
Yeah, kemiri.
Kamiri nuts. Wow, that's
The
amazing.
name kemiri. Yeah,
What's your name?
kemiri.
Kamiri.
Yeah. My name Henry.
Henry. Nice to meet you, Henry. Phil.
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 Where from?
London?
London.
And you?
London. Varsavy.
Wasabi.
Morning! So we just had an interesting little walk and a conversation with a local guy who was getting macadamia nuts from a tree to sell them. And now we finally found a waterfall, which we didn't manage yesterday. So let's see.
It's very strange to us to have people stop us on the street and have a little chat. It's really, really endearing. Also, to have a little shower under the waterfall was next level gorgeous. I remember 3rd of September is always a special day for me. It's always a day that we go back to work after 6 weeks holiday being a teacher. And just thinking back now to where we are today, jumping in, literally having a shower in the little waterfall, and then I would have been going back, listening to meetings and getting ready for the term. So big love to all the students and teachers at Woodbridge. So I was chatting to some guys this morning, they were here, they had a big silver pot. And they make moonshine. See how these little berries? And I think they take the berries, take the juice out of it, and they said like they ferment it, and so it makes their own booze. How nice is that? They've got their own drinks on tap.
This is so lovely.
Lovely, isn't it? The sweet corn growing. You've got
Yeah.
papaya growing as well. Good.
Looks a charm.
No straws. We result to using.
Pen. How are you feeling there, Phil?
Yeah, super relaxed.
You look it.
You never have time. You know, it's so good that the internet doesn't work here because people are always on their phones. And I've been on my phone now for a day, and this is really
Oh, 24 hours.
I know.
How does that make you feel?
Good. It's good to not think about anything. Not like scrolling that rubbish, and then doing pictures and doing the house page and doing the t-shirts. It's nice to have a little break, man. Isn't it?
Yeah. This is our view. Peace and quiet.
And just like that, after a reinforced breakfast, we're back on the road. And in true Flores style, people come towards us wanting to have a chat, whether you're walking on the street or driving on the motorbike.
It turns out this guy was an English teacher in a school in Flores, and he asked us if he wanted to go back to his house and have some tea and talk about teaching in Flores. Unfortunately, we had to decline this kind offer as we wouldn't make our journey in time.
Best thing ever. Little break.
The people here are so friendly. I spend half the time waving at people. These interactions with the local people from Flores are really nice. Going through all these small villages and saying hello to the locals makes this journey all for the better. Tiny voices saying hello mister or boule is really nice.
At this point in the journey, the roads literally started to crumble from underneath us. Everything became a bit harder and we were getting really exhausted.
The middle one. I think so.
Very bumpy. Oh, thank you so much.
Okay.
What you got there?
Makasih.
Oh, for the
for the-
ball.
for the- yeah.
For the ball. Oh, thanks so much.
Makasih.
Makasih. Lots of love.
Sada campur. Hattie, Hattie. Or push it.
As a thank you for helping, we gave the boys some biscuits, and out of nowhere all their friends came and wanted some biscuits as well.
Driving for about 2 hours now. I think we've got another hour to go. So yeah, it's been crazy, very bumpy. If you're going to do this, definitely get probably a bigger bike. When we're coping, we can do it. So happy days. It's been a good afternoon.
Oh, Yagasha, come on. Another hour and a half to go.
Oh man, this is crazy. We're going to get there one way or another. We don't even know where we're going to stay tonight. So fingers crossed we can find somewhere. The roads, well, you couldn't really call them roads. It was just paths with loads of boulders and loads of rocks. If you are going to make this journey, highly recommended to get either an M Max or a T Max, and make sure that your tyres are pretty pumped up because you're going to need them. You don't really want to break down in this area.
How are you feeling?
I've been in a ring with Mike Tyson. That was probably the hardest, I think, drive I've ever done. Just so bumpy, so many rocks. Sometimes I just thought like I'm going to give up, but power on through. And now we came across this little place.
Which is like an oasis.
And it's just like really, really nice. So yeah, and then it's only 20 minutes to get to the village tomorrow. And then we got to walk for 2.5 hours. But yeah, you got a nice sunset. Me and Pat done pretty well. I'm pretty proud of myself because that's
Troopers. High five.
pretty hardcore, man.
We found this little guest house just by driving past it and got some well-deserved rest for the day ahead. Tomorrow we'll be driving to the closest trekking point, and from there it's a 2-hour hike to Rebo village. We really have no idea what to expect, but we're really excited, so come and join us in the next episode.
So how's your day then?
It was amazing. I asked for adventure, I got adventure. That is not for the faint-hearted, but we're happy. Nearly there. Tomorrow we'll be there.